Go further.
Hi guys, today this is my unboxing video and I got this new anime figure, Shoto Todoroki, from my uncle and my auntie. So today we'll be unboxing it. Guys, I just cut the video, so I needed to open it. It's so long. Let's go see how to let's go see what part should I do this time. And I'll just show you the full figure. I need to go get the figure out of here. Figure! I got it out. It comes with two accessories. Actually, three. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go use this accessory first. Here's one of the first accessories. It goes on this arm. And that's the other accessory which you can make it look like a display. Well, it's hard to do this. Oh no, it's hard. Guys, it's hard. It's hard to put them on, so. Boom! It comes with different kinds of faces and different kinds of hands. Guys, you might know that this character from the anime, it's My Hero. I forgot the name. I just don't know the name of this. I just saw it from here, and I'm gonna go check on the back. Okay, and it goes like this, right? Goes like this. It goes like this. Does it go like that? Like that? Yeah, it goes like this. And then let's go just do this. Boom. Oh, and I'm just posing the character. Here it is. There. It's fully complete. The stand is fully complete. Now let's go see it. I'm gonna go get my other toys. Guys, here it is. It's from Yu Yu Hakusho. The Filipino. It's a Philippine anime character. It's from Philippines, and here it is. It's Filipino character. It's from Yu Yu Hakusho, and his English name it's Yusuke, and his Tagalog name it's Eugene. So let's go call him Eugene. Let's make him fight. Now he's not able to do anything. Just doing some stuff. Need some burning because he just used one of his powers, and then Eugene is strong, so let's go see him. And they are fighting, doing a flip, giant flip, and then boom, he's over here. You see, he took one of his powers, and then he used the ice. Then boom, he just went on his head, and he froze him. And then he's burning him. And now, guys, thank you for watching my unboxing video. I'm going to go just say thank you. I'm going to say thank you after this video. So, bye guys. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell button, like this video, subscribe, and
My Hero Academy.
Comment to your favorite My Hero Academy on the comments. Bye guys. Thank you to the Harold. Thank you to the Sing. Thank you at Straw. Thank you at Mary
For the gift.
for the gift.
I love you guys.
I love you guys.